Hello YouTube friends. Doing a video on an old John Brown. It's been sitting for years and years. Fella that ran this tractor has long since been passed away. We don't know if it'll run or not, but we might find out one day. See what we got right here on this data plate. I'm not sure what that shows. Not sure what we're gonna be able to read off of there. 4-cylinder diesel. 1210 is what that is. David Brown 1210. It's in pretty rough shape. You can hear my two Fords running in the background, whether they're not both mine. One's mine and one belongs to a relative. Battery's gone out of this David Brown. Of course. Radiator doesn't look too bad. Weight pack on the front. This is a heavy machine right here. David Brown 1210. David Brown 1210 in the woods, in the weeds, I say. Let's see what's in the toolbox. Might be just roaches. I mean, wasps. Nope, there's some Arrow oil, PB Blaster, empty cans. Seen videos of people cranking these things when they're real old. Might not be in this bad a shape, but people cranking these things, they seem like really good running engines. There's the one of those hitch arms for it. There's the other hitch arm for it. It's this is October, so in a couple of months we'll be able to get out here and some of this underbrush will be die off. We'll cut it out, maybe drag it forward and get it out in the open. Nice PTO shaft there. Looks like there might be a super low on this thing. On the gear shifter. Reverse first, third, second. There's an SL and an L. I'm assuming high. Gear selector. See, I don't know, is that 22,249 hours? Maybe so. Man, I bet this was a workhorse of a tractor. My understanding, they had farmed several hundred acres at one time. Like I say, this family that lived here, the patriarch would be probably over 100 years old by now, if he were still alive. He died fairly young. I think cancer got him. Not sure what all this goes to. Anybody got any? I'm not a David Brown kind of guy, but I have heard a lot of them run, and they do seem like really solid machines. If anybody's got any insights on these old tractors, please post them on comments. My guess is that if the engine's not locked up, we're probably not going to get a battery good enough to turn it. even if the starter is okay. But we'll probably try it out one day, get us a good big battery and jump the solenoid or whatever we got to do and see if it turns over. Stranger things have happened. Alright, I'm going to kick it off here in a minute, YouTube. Had adjustable wheels on it. I bet this thing was top line technology at one time. I'm guessing maybe 1970s. PTO clutch, insignia right here. Disengaged and engaged. And I guess that lever there is PTO. Over here is hydraulic lift. Got the crowbar with it. Broken crowbar. Had a big, heavy 6-foot bush hog behind it. We pulled away from it. All right. All right, YouTube. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Hit subscribe. Try to do some more things. I've got a Farmall A over on the other side of the property that's all rusted up to where it probably never do anything. A bush hog dish set, lift arm. The old 5-foot bush hog that wasn't used on this. This one was used on a 8N Ford, I believe. Got the cutter. We're going to pull it out and clean it up. Probably sell it. We don't do any finish mowing much with that. Got a 0 turn we use for that. Got this. It's some kind of a plow, turning plow. It reminds me of an old forestry plow. You can run through the woods, and I did pull that with the Ford 3910, and it really lays it open really well. Does a really good job. This is a Tough Line brand. All right. All these pieces of equipment pretty much go with the estate. All right. Once again, hit subscribe. Keep in touch with me and see what else we come up with. By the way, we got a school bus up on the side over there. A lot of junk out here. Have a great day.